Look. I'm going to say something really hard right now, and this is going to be really harsh. You're not special. You are not special. You are grieving. I'm a griever. You're a griever. She's a griever. He's a griever. Your grief doesn't make you special. What makes you special is your uniqueness with your person, your unique person, the one that you love beyond belief. What makes you special is your unique relationship with that person. You're the one that died, but you hated him. You absolutely hated him. And for a second, you were glad that he was gone. And then all of a sudden, the grief started and you don't know why. The unique relationship is what makes you special. Your relationship to him, his relationship to her, that's what makes you special, not grief. Everybody grieves. We need to learn that. We need to learn that everyone is a griever and everyone will be a griever for the rest of their life. And you will have multiple grieving experiences throughout your life. But here's the deal, friends. You were never meant to suffer just to prove how much you love him. Grief has already taken enough. It has taken your person. It has taken the plans. It took the future you thought you were going to have. Do not hand it the rest of your life to. Don't let it come in here and rob you of living. Don't let another year disappear because you're waiting to feel ready. Do not confuse surviving with healing. Do not repeat the same pain and call it love. I'm sorry. You can miss them and you can love them and you can carry their memory with you and you can still live the life that you want. That is the work. That is the work that we do inside of the grieving school. The grief school. It's not a place where you get to sit around and talk about how bad you feel and come back the next day and tell me how bad you feel. It's a place where you get to come in, tell me how bad you feel. I love you. Thank you. Let's work on that. And we get together and we huddle up. What do you need? What do you need? Have you considered this? Have you considered that? Here's the definition. Let's work through that. And then you go away and you come back and we start with how bad you feel all over again. And I give you the place for it and we hold your space, but we break it down piece by piece. This is where you stop pretending time is going to fix what has happened to you. This is where you learn how to work through the pain instead of building your entire life around it. You can keep doing this alone, or you can join me at the grief school. Nobody is coming to save you. Nobody is coming to save you, but you can choose to stop watching your grief steal your life. You can choose to walk through it with me. Click the link, griefdiscovery.com. Your person mattered. Your loss mattered. Your life matters. Your life matters. I will walk alongside of you as we get this work done. Thank you, friends. My heart to yours. I'll see you in the next video.